Get ready.
Did I go with him or
It's
not?
unlocked. It's unlocked. The door's
Leave him,
unlocked.
leave
The
him,
door's
leave
unlocked.
him, leave
Oh
him.
my god! Oh my god!
Bro, wait,
Holy
Black-
shit.
wait, white Audi unlocked. White Audi
Holy
unlocked. Right
shit.
now. White Audi unlocked. White Audi
What's in
unlocked.
here, bro? What's in here? Oh
Hey, yo.
my god!
White Audi is unlocked, bro.
Yo, Unique, stay outside. Unique, stay outside. I want to see what's in there. Stay
I
outside.
am in the white Audi
Don't
right
forget
now.
about the dirt.
That's my Audi.
Don't forget about the car.
What's in
Bro,
here?
yep.
Hold on.
There's
Make
so
sure,
much.
make sure.
There's
Holy
like there's stuff in
shit.
here.
Bro, white Audi is unlocked right now. Right?
Yeah, alright. Alright, we gotta search the rest of the house.
Why don't you shoot the white Audi? Put that shit in the back right now.
Wait, do we talk to them or do we shoot them?
No, we talk. I'm doing the talking, bro. Don't you worry. I just need every shooter on me, but we don't let them see our heads. We don't let them see our heads.
Alright. I mean, their aim is
Check every
bad
storage.
anyway.
Check every storage.
Why you pressing? There's 4 motherfuckers here, bro. Don't you
Was there
stay.
anything
You
in
stay
there?
right there.
Their aims are bad anyways, bro.
I'm in the white car, bro. As soon as Cuban, I'm in the white car for this getaway, bro. Like, I'm straight out. I'm out.
Wait, Cuban, what did you find?
Nothing. It's fucking furnished completely, but there's nothing stashed here.
Oh my god, bro. I was thinking you were in the jackpot or some shit.
Your boy just got
Oh,
a
they're
special
coming.
carbine and.
Oh! Go! Get out of here! Get out of here already! Get out of here already!
Cops coming.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here!
I hear him.
Give me my car.
coming.
Cuban.
I'm out. I'm running outside.
Alright, I'm running out too.
Alright,
I'm running out.
Okay, so someone get in mine. I'm in the BMW.
Why do you keep them coming?
I'm out here on the interstate.
Why do you?
Drive. Oh shit.
Fucking man, Cuban, quick.
I'm
Get
going across.
in quick.
Go!
Hit him.
Go!
Oh,
That real quick.
Go! Get out of with the carbine! Get out of there with the carbine!
drive.
Go out of there with the carbine!
Play it slow. It's alright. Let them catch. They good. This is stock. Just let him drive.
Bro, they're on us, bro. They're on us.
Alright, where you at? We'll stop you. We'll go.
Let him ram me. Look,
We'll
look at
pit
your shit.
maneuver
Look at your shit.
Where are they at?
Bro,
We're near Leicester. We're here.
Alright, go to Leicester. Take a left. Unique, take a left.
Ready. We gotta catch this shit. It's all three. All three.
We'll let y'all in.
Yo, we need help.
Stop right here.
Wait.
Get in.
Fuck you, man. No. Hands so you can say no, bitch. It's 3 of us. No. Fuck you, man, bitch.
Alright, we'll let you get in.
Drive.
Drive!
Just fucking go. I have the AR.
Go, I'm dead. Go.
Just drive
Go!
away.
Chase by the They're gonna get you.
Go on the mountain!
Let's
Go on the
fucking
mountain!
go.
We're going to the mountains.
Oh!
Let's fucking. They have suppressors and everything on this bitch.
Oh, go! I'm going! I'm running! You keep going,
Bro, who am I in the car with? Who's 349?
Keep running!
I'm dead.
Good shit,
do
bro.
anything for
Holy.
15
Can we
minutes
shoot
right
them? Can we
now.
shoot them? They shot at us first. Can we shoot them?
Get back in. They're coming.
Oh shit, they got me!
Anything for 15 minutes.
Get back in. I'm repairing the car, bro. I'm repairing
Oh
it.
shit! All right, I'm coming. Holy
Get
shit!
to 15 minutes.
Shit, I jumped off, bro. I was like, what the shit?
Oh my! Of course my vein.
Yo, Matt, go to like the
Yeah,
beach or
just a call with
something.
me.
They're not gonna go to the beach. They're not following. Just
Dude,
go.
that's
Just go.
guns.
I have it. I'm with you. I have
Oh
it.
my god, bro.
Bro, we doing this shit
I
again.
ran from the white
Oh my
Audi to
God.
this black Audi.
Good.
Did
And
you
I
get away?
shit.
Did you get away, Cap?
Yeah, I'm away. We got away.
Get away,
We
driver.
got away!
Cuban, they got me, but I sold the fuck out of them for so long, motherfucker.
I'm
boy.
running away. I'm running through
wait.
the houses. I'm
You
gonna
on
run
Grove?
to my house.
Yeah, I'm on
Come pick
Grove.
me
I'm
up. I'm at
hiding
the
right now.
end.
I'm just
I'm at the end.
Where do we need to
Yeah.
go?
Come pick me up. Just come see me. I'm
I'm
at the
dead.
end.
I
I'm
took a
dead, bro.
combat
I'm dead,
and
I'm dead.
I took a combat and then.
Oh
They're
my
gonna see me.
God.
They're gonna do me.
Wait, how about right here, Matt? Stop the car. I want to see what I got.
No. See where I am, Chim? In my stream?
Yeah, I can see.
What
I know where you are.
on this?
Dude, well,
look
did
over there,
anybody
bro.
see that? Was anybody watching my stream that entire time?
Yeah, I've been watching
Again.
it the entire time.
Dude,
Oh my
we're
god,
flying.
Nate!
bro.
Was that not crazy, Nate?
Dude, we did a backflip, bro.
Next time I'm pressing like that, I had guns in the head, bro, and they ain't doing shit. They didn't tase us or anything, bro. We all just need guns to the head and just say, bro, get the
look at
fuck
that shit,
out, bro.
bro.
There's 10 plus, bro. There's
Bro,
three of
I
us.
got a. I got a
Keep it-
scar and an AK.
Good shit. Good fuck.
Go, bro. I'm putting this shit in my trunk right now. Hold on, I'm putting this shit in my trunk.
That's what I'm talking about!
Big Cupid, do you see the flip though?